Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Once I was struggling with everything. Then I went to Chumantar Gully, bought this wand, and life became easy. And if you believe going to Chumantar Gully is going to make your life easy, you're mistaken. It's only for the chosen one. Everything is fake. This is not even a wand, this is just a brush. So I have this product with me. It says Camel Watercolor cakes. You can see the golden glow on the word artist. There's 48 shades, high quality pigments, ideal for out of the world work. Just kidding. On the reverse you can see the manufacturer info, the Kokyo Camel Limited, and the price is 750 Indian rupees. And these are all the 48 shades of camel artist watercolor cakes. So many shades, starting with Chinese white to ivory black. Wow, so many colors are there. Let's open the box. So I'm going to unbox this package and see what's inside. I did the unboxing, you saw the unboxing. Who knows why I made this video?
It's because on YouTube everybody does.
The product that you saw comes from the house of Camlin, a pretty well-known brand in India. There are many advantages in using watercolor cakes instead of those that come in small tubes. It's so handy. You can just go outside and without worrying of mixing on a pan or something or a palette. You can just dip your brush in water and just activate the paint and start your painting just right away. Painting outside your four walls, your studio four walls, is also sometimes called
Plein air painting.
Even during hitchhiking, you can use this product. It's so helpful. All you have to do is go to a nearby road, hold this above your head. This Ferrari red tin pan says, please stop your car. The next adventure awaits. So this was the unboxing video. Hope you guys like it, and let me know in the comment section what you like about the color and if you need more such videos like these. Personally, I like these colors. It's very handy and easy to use. You can try it as well. It won't disappoint you. I have to go now because Professor McDonald's is expecting me to make his French fries.